In Sedona Sales Workflow, user account permissions can be modified by a user with access to the admin settings. Start by logging in and clicking on the Settings link in the upper right-hand corner. Click on Workflow Permissions in the left-hand navigation pane in order to view the current permissions for all user accounts. Start typing the user's name and click on it to filter the interactive permissions display to show only the current permissions for the user. The roles, forms, and steps to which the user has access will be displayed. In this example, user Miranda Meridian has permissions to Parts Minneapolis. Clicking on Parts Minneapolis will filter to display which steps and forms users within the Parts Minneapolis role have access to, the Parts Task step, and the Deal Information form. For this example, let's say that user Miranda Meridian should be set up as a salesperson rather than a parts user. It can be helpful to view a correctly set up salesperson's current permissions in order to determine which roles salespeople need. Click on Workflow Permissions again to refresh the permissions display. Start typing a salesperson's name and click on it to filter the display. Here we can see that salespeople are members of the salesperson role and the sales location role. Next, we will modify Miranda Meridian's permissions to match this salesperson setup. To modify the user's permissions, click on User Role Management. Then click on Assign Users to Roles. Use the drop-down menu to select the role needed, Salesperson. Under Workflow Users not assigned to this role, type the user's name and click the Search button. Then click the plus sign next to the user's name in order to add them to the role. When switching between roles, the search will be saved so that you can add the user to multiple roles easily. User Miranda Meridian now has the correct permissions as a salesperson, but she still needs to be removed from the Parts Minneapolis role. Select Parts Minneapolis from the drop-down menu and scroll to the bottom of the page to view users assigned to this role. Click on the recycling bin icon next to the name in order to remove the user from the role. We can verify that salesperson Miranda Meridian's permissions are now correct by going back to Workflow Permissions and filtering by Miranda Meridian.